Do you want to kickstart your YouTube career today? Well, in this video, I'll teach you exactly how to kickstart it and create your very own YouTube channel and get ready to achieve your dreams. So watch the whole video and I got you guys with a quick and simple tutorial. Let's get into it. So y'all, now that I'm on my computer screen and able to show you guys what's actually going on. So first things first, this is my channel right here. I have a lot of vlogs, how-to videos just like this one. But anyway, enough promo, let's get into the video. First things first, what I want to first go ahead and do is let me sign out on my account. Once I'm signed out on my account, what I basically want to do is I want to click this sign in button at the top right of the screen. So you guys can follow my mouse cursor. So we're going to click sign in, and then once this finishes loading up, what we're basically going to see is just a bunch of accounts on my computer. So we're going to actually use another account because we want to create a whole nother account. But of course, if you do have a Gmail account you already do want to use, you can utilize that if you would want to. But for the video purposes, I'm going to create a whole nother account, and I'm going to say to manage my business, because this is a business at the end of the day. This is your brand. This is going to be like, I'm going to just name this create channel. Next. And then we're just gonna create like a random birth date just for the video purposes. February 13th, and then 1999. Male. Next, once this is done, up and loading, we should be able to create our username for the Gmail. But since we don't already have one, we're just gonna have Google create one for us. I'm just gonna click the top one just so it's simple and easy. But of course you could create your own username, but for the video, you know, I'm just doing this just for time. You create a password. Okay, so now I need to input my phone number. You get the code. Once you get the code, just fill it in accordingly. And this is just like another process of like verification, just so that if you ever just needed to recover it, you could use your phone number as an option. So for this recovery email, I'm just gonna skip it and skip. We're just gonna click next. This is just reviewing account info. Looks all good, all checks out. You have your privacy terms. So in these privacy terms, we're just gonna agree to them. You can read through them, just agree to them, and then I'm gonna click agree. So now, as you guys can see, your Google account is now ready, and now you can set up your account. So now I'm gonna go continue. Now I went back. As you guys can see, your account is created. So now we just wanna create our channel. Create channel. Since our handle is already taken, we're just gonna add a couple numbers to it just so it makes it nice and easy. So now, okay, so now I found a handle that is not utilized, and now as you guys can see, the page is here and our account is created. So now you can customize your channel, manage videos, you can create videos, you can live stream, and yeah, your channel is created. So now you should be up and running and all good. So I hope this information was helpful for everybody that needed it. Share this information with anybody that needs this. And yeah, I hope you guys all the best with your YouTube dreams. One more thing I would like to point out for you guys is I do have a lot of how-to videos on my channel. So if you guys do want to tap in with that, just go on @Aaron_Miyako. On all platforms, you'll be able to find me. And yeah, I have a lot of how-to videos, vlogs, entertaining content. So if that interests you, then tap in. But anyways, y'all, I'll see y'all. Peace.